ginger shot. Do you know why you're always needing a chocolate fix? Do you know why you're always needing sugar? Any idea? I'm going to tell you. It's not because you're addicted to sugar and because you need it. It's because there's something inside your body that you, the host, is feeding. It's called parasites. Today, look into parasites. It might just change your bloody life. You want to be free from sickness. You want to be healthy. You want energy. You want to feel balance, mind, body and soul. You want to feel like you're sick of getting upset and knee-jerking to everything, that reaction of being angry or sad. You want to get rid of that? It's easy. Kill the parasites. Have a great day.